Hi guys, this is Mark Magnifico Magsayo. You are watching Channel Manoy.
Magandang araw mga pre, maayong adlaw po sa mga Bisaya diha. Ngayong paparating na February 26, may laban sana ang undefeated Pinoy boxer na si Jinel Lausa kontra sa undefeated prospect na boxer din ng Cuba na si Javier Herrera. Kaso nga lang nadisgrasya itong Pinoy na si Jinel Lausa kaya pinalitan siya sa laban. At ang pinalit ay ang tubong Cagayan de Oro, ang veterano na sa bakbakan na si Mark Jan Journeyman Yap. May perfect record itong Cuban boxer na 5 wins, 0 loss, 5-2 via knockout, 19 anyos pa at noong 2021 lang ang debut bilang isang pro. Habang itong si Mark Jan Yap ay may kartadang 30 wins, 15 losses, 15-2 via knockout, 33 anyos na. Dating Oriental Pacific Boxing Federation Bantamweight champion itong si Yap. Madalas lumalaban noon sa Japan at mahigit 10 hapon na ang tinalo. Naging undefeated mula 2015 hanggang 2018 bago matalo sa kapatid ni Naoya Inoue na si Takuma Inoue via unanimous decision. Huling laban niya ay noong 2019 kontra sa undefeated na kalaban na si Angel Alejandro na ginanap sa MGM Arena sa Amerika. Natalo siya via unanimous decision. Habang itong batang prospect ng Cuba ay impresibo din ang mga panalo. Sa 5 pinabagsak niya ay 3 dito sa loob lang ng first round. Huling laban niya ay noong Enero lang kontra sa Pinoy na si Eduardo The Nightmare Mancito. Pinabagsak niya ang Pinoy sa ika-4 na round sa pamamagitan ng malupit na body shot. Ang labang Mark Jan Yap versus Herrera ay para sa WBA Asia Super Featherweight title. Isang malaking oportunidad to para maibalik ng Pinoy ang kanyang karera na di na gumagalaw sa mahigit 2 taon. Sa interview, sinabi ni Yap na bumabalik na daw siya sa training noong November pa. 4 months na daw siyang nagtitraining, bumabalik na din daw ang galaw niya. Sa parte naman ng Cuban prospect na si Herrera ay magandang oportunidad din ito para sa bata pa niyang karera kung manalo sa laban nila. Magaling, malakas at mabilis din ang galawan nito. Di din basta-basta ang kampo nito dahil ang mga Cuban boxer ay kilalang malulupit sa ibabaw ng lona at mga Olympic medalist din. Undercard sila ng labang Rigondo versus Astrolabio na para sa WBC International Bantamweight Belt. Sa tingin mo pre, natanggal na kaya ang kalawang sa katawan itong 33 na Pinoy na veterano na sa bakbakan at kaya pa kaya niyang sabayan itong 19 anyos na undefeated prospect na Cuban? Ang inyong komento, suggestion at reaction ay welcome na welcome sa baba. Sabay nating tignan ang 3 sa 5 laban nitong batang Cuban na kung saan tinumba niya ang mga kalaban. Isa na dito ang Pinoy na si Mancito.
Represent Cuba, please put your hands together.
Indonesia, wrestler Santaba. Of Cuba, Javier Herrera.
11th fight of the night.
Super featherweight.
Keep it clean and good luck to the both of you.
This is going to be an interesting one. Good uppercut. Another nice uppercut. Ooh. Good job.
Good job from Herrera.
Good shot from good defense from Herrera. Good body work. You see, this is the importance of amateur career. You see that this is why everyone who starts boxing should do amateur career. Look at this.
Yeah,
Good balance, good counter punching,
nice
good jab,
IQ, good IQ.
safe, not putting himself in danger. Good defense, hands are up,
Well composed,
well composed
not rushing to the fight.
at all. Look, he's
Relaxed.
I don't think this is going to go to the... I think it's going to be over in this first round. It's over. Okay.
Yeah, I don't think the fight will go.
No, Herrera is just too big, too strong.
The guy is bleeding. The referee need to see.
Yeah, he needs to because
The
I think-
referee need to do something there.
I know, look, the coach is... Tava is trying his best.
Tava is trying his
But Herrera-
best. End of the fight. End of the fight. Oh my God.
What a performance from Herrera. Beautiful performance.
Good job. I think
He dissected his opponent.
I think he just broke his
But,
nose, which is it's a common thing that usually do happen to fighters. But he doesn't. He look.
No, he's going to jump into bigger and bigger things.
But you know the kid is growing. So
Listen to the brain more than the heart, you know?
because you have the life after,
You
after
have,
boxing.
there's life before and after boxing.
That's true.
He
He's
just-
okay.
Yeah, he's all right.
okay.
Look at that
Good
sportsmanship.
job.
Sportsmanship. That's
Yeah,
beautiful
yeah.
to see.
Beautiful thing to see.
Beautiful thing.
Yeah.
You see, this is a gentleman's sport. It's not a fight in the end. It's a gentleman's sport.
Yeah, very good thing from
Young
Herrera.
kid.
Good job.
Yeah. Showing maturity at a young age.
Yeah. Good luck. Sanduva was strong.
Very strong. He came
was
in to
strong,
fight.
yeah.
He came in to fight. Herrera was just too fast, too strong, too sharp.
Yeah.
Just too much power, too much of everything.
He caught him with, I think, with a straight uppercut
Yeah.
that broke his nose.
Huwag kalimutang i-like ang ating video at pakipindot na rin ang subscribe button kung ikaw ay bago para umabot na tayo sa 200,000 dito sa munting tahanan ko. Maraming salamat sa panonood at suporta mga pre. As always, amping permi.